Hello students, in the previous video we had discussed regarding the A inverse concept, how to find A inverse matrix by three methods, and already we have completed 4.5 exercise. So today we'll go for application of determinants as well as matrix, and in the previous video also I discussed we'll be dealing with the solving of linear equations. Okay, but the method makes a difference here, that is by matrix method. So first question, you can have a glance here. Solve the equations by matrix method. So ಈ ಪೂರ್ತಿ equations ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದನ್ನ matrix form ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ. Matrix ಅಲ್ಲಿ convert ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀರಾ. So for this we speak about certain arrangements here. That is two variables. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ equation ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು x and y. ಎರಡು variables ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ದಾಗ you will be proceeding with the matrices. A is a matrix. Okay, where it should be square matrix of order 2. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಝೆಡ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 3 unknown terms ಆದೆ, then you have to speak about A is a square matrix of order 3. Got it? So right now I take an example of two variables and you have to say that let A be a square matrix of order 2, I mean 2 rows and 2 columns. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ coefficient of x, coefficient of y followed by the second equation, coefficients will take the values here, that is 2, 5 should act as first row, 3 and 2 should be taken as second row. E arrangement na ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀರಾ. Followed by I should say it is a x which is an unknown variable, which includes unknown variable, but it should be column matrix. Compulsory it should be column matrix where we have 2 rows and a single column. So x itself is a unknown matrix now. ಈ matrix ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ x and y variables we need to calculate. Apart from this 1 and 7, compulsory these two 1 and 7 should be towards RHS only. I repeat, ಈ equation ಏನಾದ್ರೂ 2x plus 5y minus 1 is equal to 0 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಅಂತಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು 1 ಅನ್ನ from LHS you have to transfer it to RHS. So equation ಇದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ. Constant terms towards RHS, variables unknown terms should be to be arranged systematically in a particular order xyz accordingly towards LHS. Then we speak about this arrangement. So I was here with B is one more matrix, a column matrix which includes these two constant terms, but these two constant terms should be towards RHS only. RHS, got it? Yeah. So we have 1 and 7 here. Now once we are done, ಈ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ obviously I should say here consider AX is equal to B. So when I say AX is equal to B, I say that, see, please have a glance here, matrix A is multiplied with matrix X, which is equated to B ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ. First A matrix is multiplied with X, that is first row and the column. If I multiply, how to perform matrix multiplication? 2x plus 5y is equal to B, that is 1. Multiply 2x plus 5y is equal to 1 ಅನ್ನೋದೇ equation ತಾನೆ. 3x, because I'm saying multiply, 3x plus 2y is equal to 7. So ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಓಕೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಗುಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಈ ಎರಡು ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ನೇ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದೀರ ನೋಡಿ. ವೇರ್ ಯು ಸೇ A is a matrix, X is a matrix, B is a matrix. Got it? Are you convinced? Yeah. So ನೀವೇನು ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತೇನಿಲ್ಲ, ರಿರೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ A matrix X and then consider AX equal to B ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋಣ. So what we need to solve here, we'll be solving it for X matrix. So I should say X is equal to A is transferred. Okay, otherwise I should say both the side we have multiplied by A inverse ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. Theoretical part adu, but let's straight away we can take it here. A is transferred, which ultimately means here A inverse into B. So X ನ calculation ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ I am in need of A inverse into B. So what is A inverse? Somewhere people have come across now where A inverse we have to go for the formula. What is the formula? It's adjoint of A divided by determinant value of A. But condition applies, determinant value should not be equal to 0. ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದೇ ಬರೀತೀರಾ, because this question is going to occur for 5 marks. According to scheme of valuation, this step, writing out this followed by this and claiming for adjoint A inverse and followed by determined value not equal to 0 bardaga 1 mark is allotted according to scheme of valuation. So in this step every time you just practice it you have to write. Now followed by you'll move on for first determinant value andre A inverse male target agutte nodi. A inverse target agutte and to go for this determinant value mele madle attack madi. So determinant value, let's go for determinant value. I have taken the elements here. I hope by now everyone is perfect in finding out determinant value. Idu pure calculation part agutte. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಗಮನ ಇರಲಿ. ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ. We have 4, it's minus 15. We have minus 11. So not equal to 0. 0 bandre, you have to stop it and you can say that A inverse does not exist. So it depends upon the consistency of the equation. Shortly we'll go for that also. But so normally not equal to 0 bande barutte because question yavalu solve anta kottaga usually we find the equations we are going to find the solutions for the unknown variables and we find the equations are consistent. For this I should say it's minus 11 and not equal to 0. Munde idu aitu. Munde adjoint bekalva. Correct? And to find the adjoint what should be done here? I should say it is A inverse is equal to, we find, okay, we have taken adjoint of A upon determinant value of A. So adjoint ye shortcut gotilla 2 cross 2 order ge. Heg martira? We say it is transpose of cofactor. Okay, so everything is done and I should say it is 2 as well as 2. These two elements will be reversed and these two elements kept as it is. I should say it is minus 5 as well as minus 3. So for 2 cross 2 order, straight away we go for the adjoint. And then minus is taken within. So I should say simplification has been done for you. We have minus, only minus are taken away within. But you can keep the terms as it is also. So we have minus 2, sign change, and sign change. So this is A inverse. Now followed by I should come back with X matrix. Idik parona. Idu complete aitu. A inverse na kanhididvi. Iga wapas A inverse na ille haki. Let's go for this equation. So x is equal to A inverse into B. A inverse antantare purti A inverse idu. So I have taken 1 by 11, minus 2, 5, 3 and minus 2. A inverse. And B is nothing but 1, 7. A column matrix. So we are left out with x is equal to, I should say it's 1 by 11 and this first row, first column. Matrix multiplication marta banni. First row minus 2 plus 35. Followed by second row and the column begins. 3 ones are 3, it's minus 14. 1 by 11 ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇಡ್ರಿ ಅದೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. So 1 by 11 kept as it is. This simplifies to, I should say 33. This simplifies to, I should say minus 11. Now I can simplify it. 11 can be taken within. I find 33 divided by 11. It is 3. Minus 11 divided by 11. It is minus 1. So x ಅಂತಂದ್ರೇನು? ಅದೊಂದು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. So our column matrix x and y is equal to this result, I should say 3 and minus 1. So this is going to give us x value as 3 and when I compare the two matrices, I should say y is equal to minus 1. So these are the two solutions, okay, x value 3 as well as y is equal to minus 1. So they are the unique solutions, okay, for the given equations. Okay, how to cross verify the answer? ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಿಡಬಹುದು ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನ, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈವನ್ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ವಾಪಸ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕಿ ನೋಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಪುಟ್ x is equal to 3 and put y is equal to minus 1. So we're left out with here 2 3s are 6 minus 5 1. Similarly here 3, I should say 3 3s are 9 followed by I should say minus 2. 9 minus 2, it is 7. Isn't it? That means your solution is confirmed. Okay, so this is how you'll be solving the equations by matrix method. So one more example I have given here. Solve the equations, solve the system of equation using matrix method. So if you pause kottu ee question solve ಮಾಡಿ, then you can verify answer. So let me continue with the solution part here. We have A matrix 1 2 2 and 3 properly. You have to arrange them. X a column matrix. B 2 and 3 towards RHS. So let's have the equation. The equations are in the form of AX is equal to B. So write x is equal to A inverse into B, where A inverse is nothing but adjoint of A upon determinant value of A. Condition applies, determinant value is not equal to 0. So first determinant value ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. So we have determinant value. Matrix ತಗೋತೀರಾ. We have 1 2 2 3. plus sign, minus sign. We have 3 minus 4 minus 1. Simplifies to minus 1, which is not equal to 0. Correct? Okay. So once you get this, then you move on for the adjoint and you claim for the A inverse. So what is A inverse formula? For 2 cross 2 ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ 3 cross 3 ಬಂತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲಾನು ಕೂಡ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So I should say it's adjoint of A. Of course, determinant value is minus 1, so which I have taken straight away here. 1 upon minus 1 is same as minus 1. So I went for determinant value is denominator ide, ಆದರೆ anyway the reciprocal of 1 is 1 only. So minus I balanced here as it is. So we have minus 1. What's adjoint of A? ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಇವೆರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಉಲ್ಟಾ 3 and 1. ಇವೆರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ as it is sign change, ಅದೇ adjoint ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So we have minus 2 and minus 2. So once we have done this, let's go for minus is taken within, all the sign has been changed. Now this is A inverse. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಟ್ಟ ಬಂದ್ರಿ. ಈಗ ಮುಂದೆ x value ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. X is A inverse into B. So x is equal to A inverse into B. X is equal to A inverse ಇದು ತಾನೇ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸು. A inverse ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅದನ್ನ. B 2 and 3 ಕಾಲಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Here we find minus here minus 6. It is plus 6. Second row and the column 2 2s are 4 minus 3. So simplifies to 0, simplifies to 1. But what is x? What is x? X is a column matrix with unknown variables. So which are taken here towards LHS. xy is equal to 0, 1. Now when I compare x value 0, y value 1. So how to verify the answer? ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮುಗಿದು ಹೋಯ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. 3 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಝೆಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದ 3 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಆ ರೀತಿಯ ಕ್ವಶನ್ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. But to solve that question, you need to, of course, solve. You need to have the practice on 2 variables also. So x value 0, y value 1, and ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಪಸ್ ಹಾಕೋ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. x value is 0, y value is 1. So we have 2 is equal to 2. Similar here, x value is 0, y value is 1. So we have LHS is equal to RHS. I mean 3. ಅದೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Got it? Fine. So this is 2 variables, I mean linear equations in 2 variables we have done it. Now let me go for the next question. Solve the equation by matrix method for 3 variables x, y, z. So we find equation 3x minus 2y plus 3z is equal to 8, 2x plus y minus z is equal to 1, 4x minus 3y plus 2z is equal to 4. So consider A should be matrix of 3 cross 3 order, where we find elements 3 minus 2 3, 2 1 minus 1, 4 minus 3 2. X should be a matrix, a column matrix, unknown variable x, y, z. B should be one more column matrix, RHS ಒಳಗಿರುವಂತ ಟರ್ಮ್ 8 1 4 ನ ತಗೋತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಈ ಕಾಮನ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಏನಂತ ಈ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಸೇ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ AX is equal to B, followed by x is equal to A inverse into B, where A inverse formula adjoint of A upon determinant value of A, condition determinant value is not equal to 0. So first determinant ಮೇಲೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದರ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಲ್ಲೇ, ಅದು 0 ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0 ಬಂತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಟು ಸೇ ಇದೆ. ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಐ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ, ವಿಚ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಡನ್ ಇನ್ 10th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ತಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ. So we find 3 minus 2 3, okay, all the values taken, plus minus plus. First row we go for expansion, 3 kept as it is, close it, I find 2, actually plus 3, sign change, minus 3, minus into minus plus 2, close it, we find 4, it is actually minus 4 plus 4. So plus 3, close it, we find minus 6, minus 4. So it simplifies, please work it out on the bottommost rule, we find minus 17, which is not equal to 0. Okay, so afterwards, after finding this determinant value, you move on for the adjoint, and you know it very well. Adjoint is the transpose of cofactor matrix. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲು cofactors ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋಣ. So what's the rule to find the cofactor? I hope you remember this should be a chart done. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, and minus Shankar-Pade rule. Okay, so go ahead with this. Do the calculation from your side. Give a pause, do it, and then you can verify. So A11, close it, we find 2. It is actually plus 3, minus 3. Simplifies to minus 1. A12, E element na, close, 2 2s are 4, 4 is actually minus 4. Sign change, say plus 4. Ultimately we have 8, but here outside minus, that is minus 8. A13, andre cofactor ge direct hogta idevi. Straight away we are going for the cofactor only. Okay, so I should say, which of course depends upon minor. Minor ashtanne tagondu matte cofactor hogtare, straight away cofactor hogta ide nodi. Idu minor ಆಯ್ತು, minus na multiply ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅದು cofactor ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. So A13, close it, we find minus 6, minus 4, we find minus 10. So I should say further, A21, close, minus 4, it is minus 9 actually, but sign change, plus 9. Difference 5, but outside minus, we find minus 5. A22, close, here 6, it is minus 12. We find the difference, minus 6. A23, close, we find minus 9. It is plus 8. The difference, minus 1, but outside minus, plus 1. A31, close, we find plus 2, minus 3. So we find minus 1. A32, so I should say close it, minus 3, minus 6. Simplifies to, overall, outside minus to be considered. So it simplifies to plus 9. So A33, close it, 3, plus 4. Simplifies to 7. So these are all our elements, cofactor elements, sorry. So to begin with here, we find a okay, I should straight away go for adjoint. I need not to say here, for regarding cofactor bada. Adjoint, I should say transpose. Now, symbol on the transpose of all the elements to be listed out, minus 1, minus 8, minus 10, minus 5, minus 6, 1, minus 1, 9, and 7. So transpose ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ transpose. How to go for transpose? Okay, first row as first column, second row, second column, third row, third column. So this is adjoint. So adjoint bandvi anta, let's move on for the A inverse. A inverse is determinant value. Okay, it is minus 17, which I taken here, minus 1 by 17 of the same matrix. This is A inverse. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ equation ಬರೋಣ, x is equal to A inverse into B ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಣ, minus 1 by 17 into the matrix is A inverse, okay, into B. So let's perform the matrix multiplication. Minus 1 by 17 ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. First row, first column begins. We find minus 8, minus 5, it's minus 4. Followed by second row and the column, minus 64, minus 6, plus 36. Third row, first column, minus 80, plus 1, plus 28. Simplifies to minus 17, simplifies to minus 34, simplifies to, this is 80. Okay, this is 8. Sorry. So simplifies to minus 51. And now minus 1 by 17 can be taken within. Andre ella sign kuda change agutte. Hage 17 le divide agta hogutte. 17 upon 17 we have 1 plus 1. 34, the multiple, I should say it is the double. I mean 2 times 17 ones are 3s are. So we find so and so. X is a matrix, x, y, z. And therefore by comparing, I find x value as 1, y value as 2, z value as 3. So 3 values illige idu 5 marks question agutte nodi. This everything is 5 marks question. So these are steps which we are in need. All scheme of evaluation speaks about all the regarding cofactor, regarding the adjoint, and then A inverse, and all the steps to be taken accordingly. So even you can verify the answers also. X value 1, y value 2, and z value 3. Can put it back in the equation. Here x value is 1, y value is 2, z value is 3, So here we find 3 is minus 4. The difference minus 1. Minus 1 plus 9 is 8. So you can even verify for the second and third equation. The solution is confirmed for you. So this is how you will be solving it for 3 marks. So I taken one more question here. Solve the equation by matrix method. These are equations given to us. Okay, you can give a pause, you can solve it, and then you can verify the answer. Equations ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, solve ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದು ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ you need to solve the questions. Okay, and calculation part you have to be very much accurate. You should be confident. So, okay, let's begin with solution here. We find 1 minus 1, 1, 2, 1 minus 3, 1, 1, 1. X is a matrix, B is a matrix, and let's consider X equal to B. X is A inverse into B. A inverse is adjoint of A upon determinant value. Determinant value is not equal to 0. So, to begin with determinant value, we find the solution 10. Okay, then we will move on for the cofactors. So, cofactor, prepare a chart and do the calculation, and you find the respective cofactors are 4. Here 4 minus 5, it is plus 1. 2, 0 minus 2. Then this third row, I should say it is 2, 5 and 3. Please verify the answer. Transpose togota ideni, that's adjoint definition. So we have so and so elements. So then we go for A inverse. A inverse perkorna 1 upon 10 into this matrix. Then we have the equation X equal to A inverse into B. So calculation and do it. 4 for 16 plus 0 plus 4 accordingly. We find a simplification 20 minus 10 and 10. Simplify it, we find 2 minus 1 and 1. Therefore, X value is 2, Y value is minus 1, Z value is 1. Okay, I hope the terms are clear to you now. So, this is how you'll be solving the exercise 4.6 alli. Question number 7 onwards. I repeat, 4.6 alli. 7th question onwards you are eligible to solve now. Solve the linear equations using matrix method and from 7th question to 14th question. All these questions you people are eligible to solve. But why not the first 6 question? First 6 questions alli questions of nodi mele exam in the consistency anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನೋದಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ನೋಡಿ, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗ್ಲೇಬೇಕಂತೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿಫೈಡ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅವರು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಎಲಿಜಿಬಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟಿ ರೈಟ್ ನೌ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ 4.6 ನ ರೈಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್. ಬಟ್ ನೋಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಫ್ರಮ್ 1 to 6 ದೇ ಸೇ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಹಿಯರ್. Okay, which you people had done in 10th standard also. So I taken here it is consistency of equations. Okay, so for a square matrix, okay, I think consistency of equations you people might be knowing in 10th standard you people had done in 10th standard. Okay, you people had done. Nodi ಎರಡು lines intersect ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ you have taken the condition. No, I think I should show you your favorite textbook. I hope you remember. You can enjoy this text, my dear. See, do you remember this textbook? I'm sure many of them, they might be happy after seeing this text, isn't it? So in this text only people have done the consistency nodi. Easy kottidru equations anna. Equations were given and you people have enjoyed it. Intersecting lines, they have exact solution. Infinitely many solutions. We have no solution. Okay. So the proportionality condition verify ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ. A1 by A2 is not equal to. Okay. ಇದೇ conditions ನಾವೀಗ verify ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು matrix method le verify ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Okay, I hope you remember this table which are done. Okay, and the various methods also you people had done in your 10th standard text. You people have enjoyed these all question substitution method, solving of the equations by substitution method, isn't it? Okay, I hope many of them they might be laughing after seeing the text. Why again 10th standard text ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಗೀತು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಮುಗಿತಾ ಮುಗಿಸಿದೇವಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡೀಲಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ 10th standard. See, concept wise you people have not taken any extra. Same concept only people are analyzing once again with the various methods. So intersecting lines here, lines intersect ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ normally we say this is the 10th standard what you have enjoyed. Parallel lines. Okay, then we have the condition A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 but not equal to C1 by C2. Even analytical geometry also you people are using this. So coincident ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಲೈನ್ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮರ್ಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. our condition a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So 10th standard ಮಾಡಿರೋದನ್ನ let's have the consistency on matrix method ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. So for a square matrix A, where we have the equation ax equal to b, first we go for determinant value ತಗೋತೀವಿ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. If determinant value is not equal to 0 ಬಂತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, of course there are two possibilities. Determinant value not equal to 0, one more I should say determinant value is equal to 0. So if determinant value is not equal to 0 ಅಂತಂದಾಗ, okay, we have to conclude that the equations are consistent and they have unique solutions. It actually means the two lines are intersecting and therefore. So ಇದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ matrix method ಅಲ್ಲಿ highlight ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. One more possibility we have, determinant value ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ 0 ಬಂತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗೇನು, nothing can be concluded about the equations. So that if that is the case, then what should be done? Again you have to go for adjoint of A into B ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Adjoint of A is a matrix into B is also a matrix. So find out these two matrix multiplication. ಅದು ಏನಾದರೂ null matrix ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ not equal to 0. Okay, null matrix ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ not equal to null matrix, then you say that the equations are inconsistent and we don't find any solutions over there because the two given equations are, they are representing parallel lines. Parallel ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ solution ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇರಲ್ಲ. Got it? Just to remember, I am highlighting this, but this is not to be discussed. ಈ matrix method ಒಂದನೇ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋತೀರಾ ಇನ್ಮೇಲಿಂತ್ರ. To convince you, okay, I was speaking about your 10th standard result also, which actually moves hand in hand. So we have adjoint of A into B, which if it is equal to 0, I mean null matrix, then you say that the equations are consistent, but infinite solutions. ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು solutions ಇದೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Because ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಮರ್ಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ there are so many intersection points, which we say infinite number of solutions. So ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋತೀರಾ, ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋತೀರಾ. Okay, and this concept is based, all the terms they actually speak about your geometrical meaning as well as it is the equation proportionality which you people had taken in 10th standard. You have enjoyed this. Okay, so please make a note of this. ಈ concept ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಈಗ let's go for the question is exam in the consistency ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೀವು ಬರೀ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ. ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ. ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವುದು ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯುನಿಕ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಸಿಗೋ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್, ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮೇಲೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನ್ ಬಂತು, ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಬಂತಾ, ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಬಂತಾ. ಸೊ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಐ ಸೈಡ್. ಸೊ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಿಯರ್. ವಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ 2, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ +1, ಐ ಫೈಂಡ್ 3, ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಯು ಟು ಸೇ ದಟ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ವಿತ್, okay, you should write here beta, with unique solutions. You write here consistent equation and they have unique solution. This should be the answer. Over. Hence solve the equation ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಎಂತ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿ. ಸೊ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ದಿಸ್ should be taken as answer. Second question I taken here, and again under same heading, examine the consistency. Here I find determinant value 0. When I find determinant value 0, nothing can be said. At the most you can say that A is a singular matrix ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ, determinant value 0 ಬಂದಾಗ nothing can be said. You have to go for one more condition, adjoint of A into B ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So let's perform here. Let's consider adjoint of A into B. Find out adjoint into B. So multiply. I find 0 0 null matrix ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. 6 minus 2 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, which is not equal to null matrix. So if it is not equal to null matrix, what's the conclusion? The equations are inconsistent with no solution. Equations are inconsistent and no solution. Clear? Yeah. ಸೊ ಈ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹೀಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿ. Got it? Yeah. So one more for 3 cross 3 order also I have taken here. A, B, X and B, you have to take it. Okay, all the terms I verified it here. I went for determinant value, I found the value 0. So after finding out the value 0, under same heading only consistency I am verifying here. I went for adjoint. Please do the adjoint. So here we find adjoint of A into B, and I find is not equal to 0. So I should conclude the statement by saying equations are inconsistent and no solution. Got it? So I think now you people are eligible to go for exercise 4.6. 4.6, all the questions you have to solve now. But a consistency ಬಗ್ಗೆ exam in the consistency even you 6 questions na ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. Okay, and solve the equations ಅನ್ನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ equations ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನಿಮಗೆ 0 ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯುನಿಕ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ. ಸೊ ಅಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೀನ್ ವೈಲ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದ ವರ್ಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಯುನೋ ಕೂಡ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಓಕೆ, 4.6 2 more questions are here, my dear. It is 15 question as well as 16 question. 16th one, it's a verbal. The cost of 4 kg onion, 3 kg wheat and 2 kg rice is rupees 60. So in ಹೇಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೋತಾರೆ equation ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ, let you can take it onion as rupees x for onion, wheat ಗೆ y, and for rice you can take it as z. So we have the equations now. 4x plus 3y plus 2z is equal to 60. First equation. ಹಾಗೆ the cost of 2 kg onion ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2x plus 4y plus 6z is equal to 90. 6x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 70. So to find out the cost of each item ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ you have to go for x, y, z value. So ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ equation na you know it very well. 10th stand also, lower class also you have taken. Verbal question na ನೀವು ವಾಪಸ್ equations ಬರ್ತೀರಾ and then x, y, z ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡು solve ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. So this should be done, and this question should not make any difference. So see here, if A is a matrix, find A inverse. ಇದೇ 2, ಇದೇ -3, ಇದೇ 5 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. 3 2 -4 1 1 -2. ಸೊ ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ನೀವೇನು ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನೀವು ತಗೊಂಡು ಅವು ಎ ಅಂತ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ. ಯು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಎ, ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಅಡ್ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಯು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್. ಆ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ನೀವೇನು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹೀಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಕೂಡ ಯು ಟು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದನ್ನೇ ತಗೊಂಡು ಇದನ್ನೇ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ನಡಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂಡ ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಡೂ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಡಬಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. ಇದನ್ನಷ್ಟನ್ನೇ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೂಡ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ನಾವು ಯು ಆರ್ ಎಲಿಜಿಬಲ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ 4.6. ಸೊ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್. ವರ್ಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಓದಿ. ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಬೈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂತಿದೆಯಾ ಅಥವಾ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿ ಅಂತಿದೆಯಾ. read the question and do it. Of course, here we find one more worked example. So please solve this equation also. Okay, solving is very important from your side now because it's only calculation part. So writing part, calculation na correct ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. Every integer simplification, minus, plus, multiplication and so on. All writing part, okay, writing the formulas, everything we includes here. So writing should and must, and you need to have the practice, and this will definitely increase your speed also. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನಿಮ್ಮೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು. ಹೇಳೋದು ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಇತ್ತು ನಿಜ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗಿವನ್ ದ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಗೈಡ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ನಾವ್, ಬಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ನಾವ್. ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ಅನ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಹೌ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್, ಹೌ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಸಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟಕ್ ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್, ಅಗೇನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಅಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈವನ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಫಾರ್ your doubts also. Okay, so let me expect all this solutions from your side, the proper solutions from your side. Okay, fine. In my next video I'll continue with the next part of this determinant chapter. Thank you.